What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we are coming with video after video after video after video. But for today, we're going to focus on these micro box braids, honey. I have been working on these braids for the last 3 days and I'm ready to get it over with. I wanted to film for you guys initially, but stuff has just been crazy. Now we are just going to finish it together. I have this part right here, and then I have this in the back. So it's not that much left, which I'm very happy about. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into finishing my hair, honey, because I'm ready to get this over with. So I haven't been really particular on how I'm parting my hair. I've just been like randomly freestyling with it. Where my part is, I did pay a little bit more attention because I'm more than likely gonna wear my hair in the middle part. But for the other parts of my hair, like the back or whatever, when we get to the back, I'm not gonna do square parts because it's just going to take up too much time. Now if I wanted to, I could, but I don't think it's necessary. Also, I am not dipping my ends in hot water. I am going old school and burning my ends, honey, because honestly I just don't want to follow trends anymore, and I just want to be myself. And I feel very nostalgic because it's reminding me of a time when I was younger, and it's just making me feel really good inside. So the hair that I'm using is this Silky Jumbo Braid 100% Connect-A-Line. Again, I am burning the ends, so I didn't feel the need to go and get the Queen Bee and the Expression. Also in the color 350 because I've been actually experimenting with color and seeing what colors fit best in my skin tone. And I actually like this color right here, so we're gonna go for the 350. As you can see, it's a little bit staggering. Like I said, I'm not trying to be perfect with my part, so I'm gonna just go right here, go in the little circle, pull this out, and this is what I'm gonna braid. So normally I do use Shine Jam when I braid hair, whether it's my hair or a client's hair, but today I'm going to be using Jam because I found it in my stash. I'm also doing smaller braids, so it's not really necessary for my hair to look extra sleek and laid down. This is just something to give me a little bit more shine and silk to my hair to be able to braid and not let the braiding hair cut my fingers because that can possibly happen. So I'm gonna use Jam. I'm also using Eco Styler on the ends of my hair. Now it may create a white film on your hair. If you use a little bit on each braid, then you're not going to see that white film. So I'm going to take a little bit of Jam and just put it at the root. I'm going to twist this away. So I'm not taking a lot of hair, just a little bit, about this much. You don't want to take too small of amount of hair, but you also want it to be thick enough to where when it gets past your hair, it doesn't get really skinny, if that makes sense to you. So starting off, I'm just going to split the hair in half with my index finger, connect those two pieces of braiding hair, and just start braiding from there. So this is about where I start to actually add the Eco Styler. So I'm just take a little tiny bit and rub it between my fingers and go like this and go back to braiding. And whatever is left over on my fingers will get into the hair as I braid down. So as you can see, none of my natural hair is sticking out, all thanks to the Eco Styler gel for allowing me to seal my hair in within the braid as much as possible. Now, if you do so happen to have hair sticking out anyway, it may be split ends and you may need to just trim that part off the braid. Alright, so now that we are at the end of the braid, I will go ahead and take my lighter and burn the ends. Now, if you're underage, please ask an adult to do this part for you. I once was a young braider that couldn't do this particular step myself, so I would have to ask an adult. For this particular step, if you are underage, please ask an adult to help you. But if you are of age, all you have to do is just burn that end right there, roll it a little bit, it's not hot, and you're done. Alright, so again, we are just going to take a piece of the hair in whatever form you want to take it. It does not have to be perfect. And boom. This is where our next braid is going to be.
So my neighbors decided to play music, so voiceover it is, you guys. I am all done with my microbot sprays. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and add my braid sheen spray. I'm going to add this spray first just because I want it to set into my scalp. I'm going to add the mousse next, and I didn't want the mousse to be the first thing that my hair touches. So yeah, so we're going to add in that mousse. And we're just going to put it all throughout the braids, you guys. That's all you have to do. You can add oil, but I had already oiled my scalp off of camera. So you know a style is not complete if you don't set your edges, honey. I did leave out a little bit of edges because I didn't want to braid it and break off my edges because I do have actual baby hairs. So I do want to protect them by leaving them out some.